Aisha. I'm an executive partner at Birla Mittalson and Loys, where we manufacture lead-based products. And I also help my family run hospitality business. We own a restaurant here in Hyderabad called Four Fathers. So managing two very different industries made me realize how essential strong digital and strategic marketing skills are, and that's what motivated me to join digital marketing at IIM Kozhikode to truly understand customer behavior and to learn how to reach the right type of audience. So my biggest challenge was visibility. In manufacturing, reaching the right B2B clients is crucial, but the traditional methods weren't enough. On the other side, hospitality, the restaurant industry moves really fast, and without a clear strategy, it was easy to fall behind. And I needed structured and high quality learning to bridge this gap, and that's why I turned into IIMK. The blend of online classes, the campus immersion, and the practical assessments created a very well rounded experience. Online sessions gave me flexibility, campus immersion gave me depth and clarity, and the hands on activities helped me immediately apply the concepts to both my businesses. The program helped me think much more strategically. Before this, I used to look at marketing as just promotion. Now I see it as an end to end growth engine. It made me more confident in building long term strategies for both my businesses. The faculty, the structure, and the quality of learning are genuinely top tier. Jaro's support throughout, whether it be from the beginning, from enrollment to sessions and coordinations, they made sure the entire journey is smooth and stress free. So for me, IIMK digital marketing program was a complete mindset shift. It empowered me to understand my audience better and make smarter decisions for both my businesses.